Hey there, welcome to Gaming Basics. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to download Among Us on desktop. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. First of all, open any web browser. In the search bar type how to download and play Among Us on PC and Mac and hit enter. Now click on BlueStacks website. After you will see this page and click on download Among Us on PC. It will start downloading. After it gets downloaded, click on show in folder. Double click on it. Now click on install now. It will then start downloading. Go to your desktop and click on BlueStacks. It will start BlueStacks. Click on continue anyway. Click on install game. Now you have to sign in on Google Play, so click on sign in button. Now log into your Google account. Click on yes, I'm in. And also on I agree. Click on accept. Now click on install. It will then start downloading Among Us. Now it is downloaded. Click on open to play the game. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.